Yes, Ma, this theme 4 is our universe, and we are going to start what topic? It's introduction to MS Paint. Yes, you all know, you all love to draw pictures, right? So, how you'll draw the pictures in the drawing books with the help of pencils and crayons, right? So, that is drawing in the books. How will you draw in computer? Can you draw in the same way with pencils and crayons in the computer? No, right? So we need some applications or softwares that help us to draw in the computers as we draw in the books. So MS Paint is one of those applications which is used to draw pictures. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn the components of the MS Paint window and use tools to draw shapes and pictures. So you will be learning about what is MS Paint. Components means different parts of the MS Paint and different tools that are used to draw different shapes and pictures. Okay. Now features of MS Paint. Features means importance of MS Paint. MS Paint is used to draw and color shapes and pictures. MS Paint is used to make changes to a picture, which is called editing of a picture. Changing a picture is nothing but editing. MS Paint is also used to view and edit scanned pictures. We can also edit scanned pictures also using MS Paint. Now, how to open this MS Paint? Click on Start button, click on All Programs, Accessories and Paint. That is how to open MS Paint. You can see in your course books, everyone, the different components of the MS Paint window. Just have a look at your course book, everyone. Have a look on the course book, page number 2. Components of MS Paint window. What are the components we have there? Quick access toolbar, tab, ribbon, drawing area, and paint button. Other than that, there are so many tools you can see. I'll show you what are the different types of tools available to draw the pictures. Now, important components are quick access toolbar, paint button, ribbon, drawing area. Now, what is paint button? Paint button means it has different options to work on MS Paint. Example, save, undo, redo, etc. Means in paint button, we have options like save, undo, and redo. Quick access toolbar means like what are the recent commands recent commands we use to we use in MS we already used that are available in quick access toolbar. Ribbon, it has two parts, namely tabs and groups. Ribbon has two parts, that is tabs and groups. In tabs, it contains tools arranged in different groups. For example, home and view group, it is present in each tab. It contains commands to do any action, for example, color, shapes, and tools. Drawing area means where you will do the white, what is it, canvas, where you can draw the picture, that is drawing area. I will show you now what is MS Paint, how it looks actually. Yes, this is MS Paint window. You can see here, right? See the topmost button, that is paint button. I told you it contains what? Restore, move size, minimize, maximize, and close. Okay, this the side one is called save, that we can use it for saving. This is undo and this is redo. Okay, and this is quick access toolbar, which I told you. In quick access toolbar, you have right presently save, undo, and redo. You can add anything in the quick access toolbar by clicking on that. Okay. Now, what is tab actually? Tab means see, file, home, and view. All that are called tabs. Where they are present on the ribbon. You can't see the ribbon; it is white in color here. So all they are placed. File, home, and view tabs are placed on the ribbon. And down you can see clipboard, different types of groups: clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes, and colors. In colors you have different colors, shapes you have different shapes, tools means what are the different tools we use to draw, like pencil, eraser, fill bucket tool, all that. Image means how you want the image, like cropping, rotating, all that are there in image group. Clipboard group, we have cut, copy, paste. Okay, so all these are available on the ribbon. Now, shall we draw? First of all, I'll read out the course book, Nana. See everyone. Drawing. Just go through your course book, everyone. Have a look on the course book. Don't look here and there. Everyone has to look in your books. Put your fingers on the book and move it on the book, whatever I am reading now. Everyone, right? I'm observing everyone. Yes. Everyone, you can see me and I can also see you what you're all doing. So, finger, put your finger on the book. Now, where am I reading? I'm reading in drawing in MS Paint, right? So, put your fingers drawing in MS Paint. So, move your finger as I read. MS Paint offers various commands to draw and color pictures. The different groups that you can use for drawing are tool group. It contains tools to draw shapes and pictures. Shapes group, it contains different shapes. Colors group, it is used to add the colors to shapes and pictures. Straight line, click on the home tab, select the line tool from the shapes group, click and drag the mouse in the drawing area to draw a line. Colored line, click on the home tab, select the line tool from the shapes group, select any color from the colors group, click and drag the mouse in the drawing area to draw a colored line. Click circle, click on the home tab, select the oval tool from the tools group. On the keyboard, press the shift and click as well as drag to draw a circle in the drawing area. Rectangle, click on home tab, select the rectangle. So like this, you go on like rectangle tool is there, filling color tool is there, eraser is there, how to enter text, how to save whatever you have drawn, and how to open whatever you have saved, how to close MS Paint. So all these are available. I'll show you one by one. Okay. Now I'm sharing the screen again. Yes, Nana, first of all, how to draw in MS Paint, I told you. Yes, Ma Ananya? Oh, yeah, 1 second. Yeah, Ananya, tell me.
Which page, ma'am?
Page number 3, Ma.
Which course book, ma'am?
Course book 4, theme 4.
Theme 4.
Yes, now, first of all, image group, tools group. Already they told tools group, what it contains, different tools to draw shapes and pictures. This is tools to draw shapes and pictures. Again, shapes group is there. You can see different types of shapes there. Circle is, sorry, oval shape is there, rectangle is there, rounded rectangle is there, stars you can see, arrows you can see, right? So these are all different shapes you can use. And this is colors group where you can color the pictures, whatever you have completed. Yes, Ma Ananya.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Only theme 5 is there, no?
Theme 4 you
Theme,
don't have, ma'am.
no, theme 4 not given.
Theme 4,
After,
before only you might have taken, na, ma'am.
no, madam. Only 3 is there. 1, 2, 3.
No, no,
After 5.
yeah. Theme 4 combined all subjects in one book only they gave. Take out the theme 4, maths, English, EVS. At the last, you have computers.
Yes, madam. That is theme 5.
Theme 4 also like that only you received, na, one book.
Only
Flat.
one given. Only one given. This only given.
No, like last theme, Max, how did she learn?
Teacher, the maths teacher is explaining this book only. Theme 5 only.
No, ma'am. 1 second. ICT, theme 3 until theme 3 only I have completed, right?
Yes. After?
After theme 4, last in theme 4, మ్యాథ్స్ అవన్నీ చెప్పారు కదా వాళ్ళకి థీమ్ 4. ఆ బుక్ కోర్స్ బుక్ ఏది పాతది? థీమ్
లేదు
4
మేడం, అది లేదు, అది లేదు మేడం, ఇదే ఇచ్చారు మాకు.
ఇది థీమ్ 5 మేడం. ఓకే, ఇంతకు ముందు చదివింది కదా థీమ్ 4, ఆ బుక్ ఏది?
ఓహో, అదంటుందా?
ఆ
యా యా, 1 minute, 1 minute. ఎక్కడ ఉంది? యా యా, ఈజ్ దేర్ మేడం.
దాంట్లో లాస్ట్ లో ఐసిటి ఉంటుంది చూడు.
యా యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే. Yes, ma. Now First of all, how to draw a straight line. Here, see here in the shapes, first one is line only. I have selected it. Okay, I will try to draw a line. So this is line. If you want colored line, select the line. Color also you can choose which color you want. I'll take pink one. Okay. So I got pink color, right? So this is pink color. I'll take red color, yellow. So like this, you can select the color of the line also. Yes, Ananya, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So now I can erase this with the help of eraser, or I can go to new file, new one I can choose. Don't save. A new paper will be opened. Now colored line you have done. Circle, how to draw circle? Here this third one, ellipse, this is oval. Select that oval tool, drag it, press shift, circle will come. Drag it, shift. Okay, this is circle. Yes, Nana? In the similar way, you can also use rectangle tool. This is rectangle. Square means same. Shift, you drag and press shift, you'll get a square. Don't press shift, it will be rectangle. If you press shift, you'll get a square. Okay, this third one is rounded rectangle. Means corners will be rounded. So this is normal rectangle. One second. Fill color I am taking. Yes, this is rounded rectangle. The green one is rounded rectangle. This is normal rectangle. You can see the difference. The corners here they are straight, but here they are circled. So this is called rounded rectangle. The green one, the red one is rectangle. I think you can't see the screen. Yes, ma Janvi. Yeah, just now I shared ma. You can see. Yeah. So see ma, this green one is rounded rectangle. This is normal rectangle. Okay. And how to draw shapes? One second. I'll take one more new one. Don't save. Circle, I told you. Take oval, drag it, and press shift. Circle will come. Okay, this is circle. This is rectangle. Okay, if you want square, same. Press shift, square will come. Right? And next, so like that, you can draw stars also, clouds, arrows, triangle is there. Okay. How to fill color, I told you. Suppose I have completed these figures, right? How to fill colors here in the tools group, you have fill with color. Bucket is there that you can select. You can select any color of your choice. This is one color I have selected. This is one color. This is one color. So like this, you can select any color. Okay, like this, you can fill a shape with a color. Now, how to erase a drawing? You can choose eraser. Okay, here eraser is there. Oh, sorry. Yes, in tools group you have eraser, right? The size you can choose. Here, select the eraser. Here, size you can select the bigger one. So you'll get how to from the size button. This is only the bigger one. So like this, you can erase your drawings. So if it takes more time, you can just go to file, select new paper, new one will be opened. Outer a text, enter a text. Here A is there in tools group. So if you click there, automatically this you'll get like this. So now you can write anything whatever you want in that. You can change the size of this text also. See, I am writing. So like this. If you right, so like this, you can write the text also. Right, Nana? Entering text. Now, how to save this? Suppose I have done something. This one I'll delete. Okay, I will draw something. I will. Yeah, this is a drawing I have done. How to save this? I would like to save this, and how can I save it? How to go to file? Okay, you have save as, anything you can use. You can use save, and you can also use save as. Save as, it will ask where you would like to save it. The location it will ask. I'll save it in pictures. File name it will ask what the name you want to give it. I'll give it grade 1 and save. It will be saved. And here at the top you can see the title grade 1. So that is the title what I have saved it by the name grade 1. Right? Now I will close this completely. I will exit. Now again I'll open. If I want to, one second. Again I'm opening it. Yes. Now I want to open my previous drawing. How can I open it? Just go to file again. Open. Yeah. Where I have saved it? In pictures I have saved it. Grade 1 by the name grade 1. Right? So it has come. Yes. Everybody can see, right? Yes, Nana. Everybody. I have already saved it, right? So I have opened the saved picture. Right? This is the way you have to draw the pictures in MS Paint. Clear, everyone? How to use MS Paint? You all have it in your laptops? How many are having? Just raise your hands. Okay, one. I think almost all everybody will be having it. Other than mobiles, if you are using mobiles, not not laptops. Yeah, down your hands. Just raise your hands in the system. Yes. So what? Okay, right. Almost all are having, right? So what you will do is you have to draw a picture using MS Paint only, not in the drawing books. Okay, those are not having, no problem, not an issue. Those are having this MS Paint or Paint. Okay, open it, draw any picture. Okay, Nana, use any shapes, anything you can draw. Okay, and share me the pictures after the classes. Is it clear? Will you type? Will you draw? You all love drawing, na? So till now, I think you might have done on the books drawing, right? Now you do the use the technology to drawing pictures also, right? You can use paint to draw the pictures. Yes, Mananya?
I will also.
Yeah, everyone, everyone. That is your homework for today. Okay, I will send in MCB also. You can draw. Yes, Hayati.
Ma'am, I will also.
Yes, ma. Everyone. I am telling everyone. All of you have to draw any picture of your choice. Yeah, what happened, Hayati, again?
Ma'am, my computer in my grandfather's house.
Oh, yo. So now you don't have?
No.
Okay. When you go there or when the laptop comes here, you can do it. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So those are having right now, they please complete, do the drawing and send me the pictures. Yes. Yeah, Tanvishri, down your hands. Tell me.
Ma'am, how will
Yes. 1 second. Now write down everyone. Page number 6. You don't write this. Just heading I am writing. Introduction to MS Paint. Group A. A, B, C. Dash is a program that helps you to draw lines, circles, etc. What is that? MS Paint. The options save, open, and close are present in the dash button. File. Dash is used to add colors to shapes and pictures. Fill with color. And the last one, after completing the work in Paint, you should dash it. You should save it. Any doubts? Just raise your hands. This is first one in group A. Second one is what? Here it is tab. Here drawing area. And this is paint button. Group B, name any one group in MS Paint. You can write. You can write tools group. Where do you make drawings in MS Paint? It is drawing area. I hope all are writing yes.